Good morning, you guys. I am at the doctor's office right now. I was running so late. I couldn't get myself to get ready for nothing. I was so tired. I had been up all night long. And I had no energy. But, yeah, I just got back here in the room. So, waiting on him to come in. Took my blood pressure, it was 141/91, so I do need to work on that. But yeah, crappy day out, it's raining. My mom got me this sweater for Christmas, and it's so comfortable and warm, perfect for today. And it's like a little neck, you can reverse it and put it to the back for a hood or wear it in the front or whatever. I think it's really, really cute. My first time wearing it since she got it for me, so I love it. And I just have on my black leggings, and I don't know if you guys can see my little fringe boots, but it's raining and I stepped in a big old puddle, so I messed them all up in the front. I see my purse, isn't it so cute? It's okay. But, yeah, so I guess when I get done, I will talk to y'all. Because I feel weird talking to myself in here by myself. They know the ones in here with me. Probably wondering who I'm talking to. Hopefully they think I'm on the phone. They won't think I'm crazy. Try to give me crazy bills. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. You guys, in my favorite place, y'all probably know where, just looking by the background, Dollar General. Looking for just some deodorant right now. But yeah, the doctors went good. I don't go back for another 5 weeks. I still have to find another doctor to go to about my anemia, though. That's the only thing. But I found some good Valentine's Day sale items, so another haul video will be coming soon. But right now I'm looking for some deodorant for Joshua. Pick this up. I might go get something to eat and then head home.
Guys, this is Elijah here. Today at school, because I was there on Valentine's, I got some candy. Mom's just over there doing something, I don't know. Yeah, Joshua's on his homework. It's just a normal day. So yeah. I said, hi, Mom. Candy from school. Got a little robot on it.
You know, he was absent on Valentine's Day. So when he got to school today, he got his little goodie bag. And he wanted to show y'all. He said, I want to show the vlog before I eat it. So
Fruit snacks. Gumdrops.
You couldn't even see it. Couldn't see it.
Gumdrops.
Gobstoppers.
And sweet tarts.
You're
Laffy Taffy.
Going fast. You gotta make sure you're showing it.
Hershey Kiss. Hershey Kiss. Oh yeah, the Laffy Taffy that is here. The bag. With the robot.
So yeah, he has the mask on still because his cough is bad. Like I was just saying in the last piece, either, I don't know if I put this in before or after, because we did this, he did it by himself. He was vlogging by himself, but my Bluetooth was on, so y'all wouldn't have been able to hear nothing he said, or else it would have sounded far away, so we redid it. But he wanted to show you guys that really bad. So yeah, but I have him in his mask since we're going to be having other kiddos come over and his cough is still bad.
It hurts every time.
You know,
it's like
kids
a huge
be
blow.
forgetting to cover their mouth half the time too, so it's good for him to just keep that on. Won't be spreading any germs. I don't even know if y'all understood anything he said because he had the thing on his face. Yeah, he still has that bad cough, but we sent him back to school today because he already been out for like 5 days, 6 days. So yeah, and he's still not good. Like he's been getting like a little bit of a temperature off and on, not really a whole lot, but the cough is so bad. And we were gonna take him up to the doctor's the other day, but both places we were going ended up closing, so we couldn't get him in, and we can't get him in early to his office until later this, well, like Friday. What is today? Wednesday. Yeah, it would be like Friday. I'm hoping he'll be feeling a little bit better by then, but I don't know. The inhaler's not doing anything, and neither is the medicine. But yeah, so I am just editing my Dollar Tree haul vlog from the other day when I went to Dollar Tree. I think I posted yesterday. And then my mother-in-law's having all the grandkids over. Yeah, she's doing like a Black History Month thing to, you know, like go over like education with them of Black History Month and some of our Black leaders, and you know, just do a little history lesson with them. And then they're also going to play some board games and stuff like that. So have some little snacks and dinner and juice and stuff like that. So yeah, it's gonna be cute. If I don't forget, I'll try to vlog a little bit of what they're doing. I plan on coming down here after a while and trying to get a nail video done, or at least try to do my nails. I kind of want to do it on video because I'm using a polish that I showed on my channel that I haven't used yet. So yeah, and that's about it. Everybody is doing homework, even though it don't sound like it. Joshua and Elijah are always bickering, sibling rival. I can't say it, so I'm not even gonna try. Just like I say. And I know y'all, well, hold on, let me finish saying what I was saying. I can't say, because I was saying I can't say sibling rivalry, blah, blah, okay? But yeah, they've been like that since the day Elijah's been born. Joshua's been, you know, pest to his little brother. But anyways, yeah, so I know in my last video, my, oh wait, well yeah, y'all would have seen it by now because I'm editing it now, so when you guys see it, I do say, where is it? This is, I know that it's sassy plus chic. I know. I said chick because I posted a video on my nail channel and somebody pointed it out, and I was like, I know. Since I've seen that name at Dollar Tree, I always say chick, because when I first looked at it, I did never read it. Pay attention, not the polish, but you know, they had that brand there. I never paid no attention to it, and I think I just thought it was chick and always said that, but I've been known since that it was sassy plus chic, and I just always say chick. So I need, you know, I need to make a little disclaimer. I had to put that in my little box under my nail channel because I knew people was gonna be coming for me. But I know how to pronounce it, honey. It's okay to say words wrong sometimes.
You got to be kidding me. Seriously? Stop it.
They're fighting. Alright, you guys. Let me go. I have kids to throw out the door.